Hey, it's JB. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a middle part quick weave. So Eayonhair sent me 3 bundles of 20-inch Kinky straight bundles. So first things first, I'm going to section out some leave out for my middle part and a bit of hair along the sides. Next, I will braid down the rest of my hair as flat as possible and then sew it down with thread. So this is the braid pattern, nice and simple. Then I'll oil my scalp. So I'm going to be using a stocking cap over my head. I'm going to cut a few holes by my ears so that the cap can lay nice and flat. To secure the cap, I'll be sewing down the perimeter of the cap. Some people use glue, but I sweat a lot, so sewing down the cap will be most suitable for my lifestyle. Now I'm going to be using this protective shield and spread it all over the cap using a brush. To set the cap, you can sit underneath a dryer or use a blow dryer. Now that the cap is dry, I'm going to cut off the excess cap. So it's time to glue in the bundles using hair glue. So this is what the wefts look like. They're super thin, which will give us a very flat install. So before you start gluing down the tracks, you have to measure the hair. And then once you measure, you just cut and then you glue the weft. And I'll be gluing the weft straight across until I get to the top of my ear. As you can see, I got to the top of my ears and I placed the track in a curve shape. So I'm just going to continue that pattern all the way to the top. choose to stop here, but I'm going to add some wefts to close up the gap. Flawless, not bad for a rookie. So now I'm going to straighten out my leave out using these two products. Finally, we are done, and I'll show you the style in 3, 2, 1. I'm so in love with this hair. It's so flowy. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye.